who has needs and has health priorities and wants to really close that gap with natural solutions that are safe, effective, and, again, all natural. That's right, and you can save a lot of money with the doTERRA LRP. And hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and why is the doTERRA LRP or Loyalty Rewards Program kind of like Christmas in a box each month? Well, Malee's going to talk about what she got, some of the benefits and uses that she likes to use them for as well, in the next section.
I just got my doTERRA shipment in a couple days ago, so I wanted to show you what I ordered this month in my loyalty order. It's an exciting and special month this month because it is June. Not only is it summertime, but it's also going to be Father's Day very soon. So doTERRA did come out with a very special, amazing Father's Day collection. And so I think I might have it in my box for you to see today. So let me look and see what I have. I do. So looky there. So this is it's called the Malee Father's Day Sun, or not sun, but aftershave lotion. So let me open this one up and show you. Look at this packaging. It's black and orange. It's very masculine. This is the aftershave lotion here, and it is very, very woodsy and rich. Comes like that. It's a cream, so after you shave, rub it on your cheeks. Smells good, but it's a light. It has shea butter in it, avocado oil in it, Buddha wood oil, melaleuca, which is tea tree, balsam fir. It also has beetroot extract and radish root extract. So amazing stuff. So that came in my collection, or my loyalty rewards order, because of this month. I wanted to get it in time for Father's Day, but the 3 items came in the Father's Day collection. So we have the aftershave lotion, and then we have the Onyx Balance Bath Bar. And so I'm going to show you what this looks like. Actually, I opened it already for my Father's Day video, but I'm going to open it for you. And it's black, so it's actually a black African soap, but I already smell this, and it smells amazing. I just can't get enough of it. It's really cool. It's got the doTERRA logo right there on it, but it is very good. You can also shave with it, so it'll lather up and you can shave with that. It comes with camphor oil, boswellia oil, osmanthus oil, aloe vera juice, sunflower seed oil, rosemary, and jojoba. So it is a really nice bath bar to give to the man in your life for Father's Day. And then the last thing that came into the Father's Day collection is actually a essential oil touch. Oops, that wasn't it. Is this one right here. So this is the Essential Oil Father's Day Collection Touch. It's called the Malee Touch, because that's the name of the whole collection, which in Latin means to do, to go, to love, and to hope for. So this blend here, it has some of the similar oils that it has in the other 2 products, but this really smells amazing. And you want to put it on your wrists, behind your ears, whatever, and it will mix with your own body's chemistry and create that unique personalized aroma or cologne for you. So that is really amazing. Again, it has the Buddha wood oil, the balsam fir wood oil, black pepper, which helps to circulate your blood. It has hinoki oil, patchouli oil, and has a little bit of cocoa extract with a fractionated coconut oil. So you're going to get a little bit of a chocolate flavor in that blend. That is amazing, and I think I'm going to use it for my own cologne because I like all those woodsy aromas. So I did actually order 2 sets because I have more than one father in my life. Not my father, but my son is a father and my son-in-law is a father. So I bought one for each of them. So I got 2 sets of those because they are going to sell out really, really fast, and I didn't want to miss out. So I got 2 of those. But let's see what else I got on my order. So every month I get my doTERRA Loyalty Rewards order, and the reason why I joined not only as a wholesale member for doTERRA, so I get 25% off all of my products, but I also joined the Loyalty Rewards order program so that I can get even more discounts. So it starts at 10% back in what you order each month, and it goes all the way up to 30% off or back in points that you will get after 1 year of being a member and ordering at least 50 points a month, which is nothing when you're using oils for all kinds of things. So I got lemon. Lemon I've been getting every month, going through a lot of lemon oil because it has so many uses. I use it for cleaning. I use one by my kitchen sink. I clean my kitchen sink with it, help clean my kitchen counters with it. I put a drop in my water to detox my system and clean out my cells. I put some on my sponge and in my dishwasher. I clean my floors with it. Just a few drops in your bucket or in your dishwater. It just smells amazing. I put it in the diffuser and it helps clean the air too. So I get a lemon just about every month lately, and it's only $10 for a bottle of lemon, which is a 15 milliliter, so it's really inexpensive. I also have a wild orange this month, so another citrus oil. I do go through a lot of citrus oils, so I do order them a lot, and they are some of the more least expensive oils as well. So this bottle is $10.50 at wholesale, and smells amazing. Comes from the peel of the wild orange tree. Similar to the lemon, but has other properties as well. It's called the happy oil. So I use that on my hands and my diffuser and for cleaning and in my water. Same as the lemon, but just has a different smell, of course, because it's from the lemon, or from the orange, not from the lemon tree. But it also has different chemical properties. So, you know, not just like when we eat a variety of colors or vegetables in our diet, we should also get a variety of our essential oils because we want to get all the different properties and all the different foods and our oils as well. This is my other Father's Day collection touch. I'll put that one over there. I got that this month, and let's see what else I got. Oh, I know what I use a lot, and I just wanted to stock up. So I got this Correct X. So this is actually a natural ointment that you can use for any kind of owies on your skin. It's kind of like my natural Neosporin, which I used to use a lot, but now I order this. So it has Maluka, helichrysum oil, frankincense in it, and cedarwood. So it's really good for any like I said, ouchies or scabbies or boo-boos on your skin. I just love this stuff because it's in that ointment form, so it really stays moist. I use it for, cracks in my fingernails. You can even rub it on your eyes at night, and it's a really great hydrating cream for your eyes, for those fine lines. So that's a little like inside tip because it's actually made for owies and boo-boos, not for the fine lines, but it does work. So I got 2 of those because I just want to stock up, make sure I have one in my purse and in my bathroom and all that stuff. So let's see what else I got in my box this month. I got a On Guard. So the On Guard blend is called the Protecting Blend. So this one I make sure I use on a regular basis, so I don't come down with anything. Always feeling great, and I don't have to worry if there's anything in the air or someone comes over and coughs or sneezes or anything like that, and then I am protecting myself from the inside out. So that one has clove and cinnamon, orange, rosemary, and eucalyptus in it. So I also put that a lot in the diffuser, so it just cleans the air and gets rid of all the nasties in the air. Let's see, so this one actually is the lavender touch. So the lavender, all the touches are roll-ons, and they have the fractionated coconut oil already in the bottle. So you don't have to worry about sensitive skin, baby skin, or the elderly, or if you want to rub it in a larger area, it's already diluted and it's already spreadable to a larger area of your skin. So that's great. So because I'm a Loyalty Rewards member or joined that program, I actually got this one for free. So if you order 125 points before the 15th of any month, or after your first month, if you join, then on your second month you can join this program. And if you order by the 15th of the month, and it is 125 points or more, you will get a free product. And it's usually an oil, and so this month it was lavender roll-on. And so I use a lot of this because I have grandkids that need to be calmed down, and I can just hand them this bottle and they can roll it on the bottom of their feet. They're 2 and 3 years old, and I've already taught them to roll it on their feet and calm them down, and that way it's not full strength and it's diluted, so they're not getting full strength essential oil on their hands and rubbing in their eyes or anything like that. So very safe for them. What else I got? So I also got, this is in here, and all the oils come in bubble wrap, of course, so they don't shatter, because all the oils come in glass, and most of them come in the amber glass, so that's protected from the sun and the heat. This blend is called the HD Clear. So I actually was completely out of this blend. This is kind of for problem skin, little problem areas on your skin, on your face, which I don't have too much of a problem. But occasionally I do have a little blemish or a little rash or something here and there. So I like to have this on hand. And it has saved me in the past when I did have something going on with my skin. So I was totally out, and I'm glad I have that one now. And I think that is it for this month. So that's my order, my invoice. You always get a card in your box, and we'll tell you what the promotions for either becoming a new wholesale member, or also there's always one product that's 10% off. So this month, fennel essential oil was 10% off. I didn't get one because I have a few bottles of fennel already. So, but normally, if whatever the 10% off is, I take advantage of it because that's just an extra 10% off, whatever they offer, and that's just more additional money off. So. For new members this month, there is the Lifelong Vitality that you can actually get for free. There's a special if you join this month with a kit and join the Loyalty Rewards order in your second month of $100 or more. You'll get this whole kit for free. So it comes with 3 different supplements, vitamins, minerals, omega-3s, and your antioxidants. So that's an amazing value for anyone that is new. So I really see the savings, and what I do is when I order each month, then I'm able to pick the things that I need for my family, not run out of things, add to my collection, and I'm using the products because they're natural and they're safe and they're chemical and toxin free. So I'm not tempted to run out and get something at the store because I ran out of something and it has more toxins or anything like that in it. So it's really safeguarded me when I order monthly. I not only save, I get all these points. My points add up so fast that within a couple months, 2-3 months, I've got 100 points, which is like $100 to go shopping with to get free stuff. So Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this information, and I'll talk to you soon.
As you can see, Malee likes a lot of awesome oils and products, not only for herself, but her kids and grandkids. And this is great, not only for moms, but anyone who has needs and has health priorities and wants to really close that gap with natural solutions that are safe, effective, and, again, all natural. That's right, and you can save a lot of money with the doTERRA LRP, anywhere from 25 to 55% off. I have other videos that kind of talk about that in more detail, but just know, again, it's kind of like Christmas in a box in the sense that it's nicely packaged and it comes, well, in this case, once a month instead of once a year, but it's amazing. You get oils and products and supplements that can really help you with your health, not only attain wellness, but maintain wellness, and that's so important. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on.